Hey guys, it's Monica from Styled by Monica, and today I will be showing you how to make a mood board like this sample that I found on Canva. Mood boards are great, especially if you're into fashion, beauty, lifestyle, that kind of stuff, because you can really get to know yourself and your personal style. So to make our mood board, we're going to be using Pinterest and Pixlr. This is my Pinterest, and as you can see, I have tons of boards. So I went ahead and I made a mood board inspiration board for you guys, so you can check that out. It just has a bunch of other mood boards to give you inspiration. I thought that they were pretty cool. There's stuff about like templates and also like color schemes, that kind of stuff. And I'll also link my Pinterest username either on the screen or down in the description box so that you can look at the mood board inspiration board and also give me a follow if you want. So first things first, you want to brainstorm some ideas. So on a note on my computer, I just wrote down things like crystals, makeup, fashion, coffee, color swatches, and then a little text box that says Hello March. Now we're going to go on to Pixlr, which is a free image editor that's kind of similar to Photoshop. It's going to ask you what dimensions that you want. We're going to keep them whatever the default is because it's already similar to the size that we want based off of the Canva sample. Once you've had a chance to kind of go around Pinterest and explore, you want to open up about 8 pictures into separate tabs. I already did that just for tutorial purposes. So now you're going to go to each picture, right click and click on copy image address. Then you're going to go into Pixlr, click layer, open image URL as layer, and paste the URL into the box. Once you have your image on the canvas, you need to resize it. So in the top toolbar, you're going to hit Edit, and then click Free Transform, and then resize it to whatever you desire. I'm going to put the rose quartz in the top left corner, and you want to leave a little bit of a border on the outside as well as in between your pictures. This is my little hack since we're not using a template, but it'll turn out like we did, don't worry. I'm going to go ahead and do this for all of the images I've selected. Just paste and resize and move the image to where you want it to be. Remember, this doesn't need to be perfect. The great thing about mood boards is that everything is up to you. And all the images are added as layers, so if you decide you don't like the fit of one of the pictures, you can change it and not disrupt the rest of the mood board. But just have fun with it. I'm on to my last image here, but I'm going to show you guys a little trick. So I found this color swatch on Pinterest, but I don't want the cat that's attached to it. So I'm going to do the same thing as I did for the other images, get it on my canvas, but I'm going to flip it so that the cat goes off the board and you can only see the color swatches. Then I just have to resize it and we're almost done. One last thing I want to add to my March mood board is a little text, so I added a text box, typed out Hello March in my favorite Hensa font, and placed it onto one of my pictures. As you can see, my final mood board depicts my vibes for March. I go from dark colors in the winter into more neutral tones and pops of color. Once again, mood boards are an amazing way to figure out your personal style when it comes to fashion and beauty. They'll give you some inspiration and somewhere to start. I like to make mood boards for special events or even monthly like this one. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked it. Remember to like, share, and subscribe down below.